Voice in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dakota County, central Rice County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Warsaw, or 8 miles west of Faribault, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Faribault around 4:55 p.m. Dundas around 5:05 p.m. Northfield around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Faribault Airport and Bridgewater. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.